Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you an overview of ManageEngine Endpoint Central. Now this video will have everything you need to know about ManageEngine and how you can use it for IT endpoint management. So without further ado, let's dive right into their website. So here we have the ManageEngine website, and you can just type in manageengine.com and you'll be able to see this website right here. And from here, you can already log in or register for an account. As you can see, we're already logged in. So just follow the prompts if you need to create an account. And then once you're done with that, then you should be able to head back to this dashboard right here. So for starters, we're gonna give a quick background on ManageEngine. So ManageEngine is basically a suite of IT management software solutions designed to help organizations monitor, manage, and optimize their IT infrastructure and operations. It covers areas such as IT service management, network monitoring, endpoint management, and security. So right here, they have a bunch of free downloads you can check. So these include the following downloads and signups. We have a proven track record in delivering effective IT management and IT security software. So free trials with access to all premium features, on-premises, public cloud, and private cloud offerings. So here you have under Identity and Access Management, you have the Ad Manager Plus, which helps you manage and secure identities across Active Directory, Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, and Exchange by orchestrating and automating user lifecycle management, implementing multi-level workflows, and doing even more. You have the ADA Audit Plus for real-time change auditing for Windows system, NetApp filers, and EMC servers. So you have the AD Self-Service Plus, where you get to boost identity and the identity security with adaptive MFA, SSO, password self-service, and strong password policies, as well as remote work enablement and workforce self-service. You also have Exchange Reporter Plus, Recovery Manager Plus, and for identity, governance, and administration, you have the AD 360, Identity 360, M365 Manager Plus. For privilege access management, you have the following. So Password Manager Pro, PAM 360, Access Manager Plus, and Key Manager Plus. So they have an extensive list of software you can download depending on what you need. So you have under Identity and Access Management, the following, where the ones we've mentioned just now. For a unified service management, you have the Service Desk Plus for full stack service management for enterprises, and then the customer service management, the IT asset management. For unified endpoint management and security, you have Endpoint Central for managing modern and legacy servers, laptops, desktops, mobile devices, and browsers from a single console. You have Endpoint Management, Patch Manager Plus, Patch Connect Plus, Mobile Device Manager Plus, Remote Access Plus, and OS Deployer. And for endpoint security, you have Vulnerability Manager Plus, Application Control Plus, Device Control Plus, Browser Security Plus, Endpoint DLP Plus. We have the IT Operations Management and Observability. So you have the Op Manager Plus, Site 24/7, Applications Manager, Digital Risk Analyzer. For security, information, and event management, or there's actually more under IT Operations Management and Observability. So you have the Op Manager, NetFlow Analyzer, Network Configuration Manager, Op Utils, Firewall Analyzer, Alarms 1, Site 24/7 Status IQ. For DNS and DHCP management, you have Cloud DNS and DDI Central. And you also have Cloud Spend for cloud cost management. So for security information and event management, you have the Log 360 for SIEM. For log and compliance management, you have Event Log Analyzer and Firewall Analyzer. And for security auditing, you have the ADA or AD Audit Plus, SharePoint Manager Plus, M365 Security Plus, Cloud Security Plus, Data Security Plus, and File Analysis. For advanced IT analytics, you have the Analytics Plus, Cloud Spend, and SaaS Manager Plus. You also have low code app development like the App Creator. For cloud solutions for enterprise IT, you have the Identity 360, Service Desk Plus, Endpoint Central Cloud, Mobile Device Manager Plus Cloud, Remote Access Plus, Patch Manager Plus Cloud, Site 24/7, and these are the ones we mentioned a while ago. They also fit in the category of cloud solutions for enterprise IT. Let's check for IT management for MSPs. Oh, we also have Zoho projects for business applications for IT, Zoho Assist, Zoho Sprints, Zoho Creator, Workplace, Mail, Meeting, and Lens. For the IT management for MSPs, RMM Central, AD Manager, Log 360, Event Log Analyzer, PAM 360, Endpoint Central, Service Desk, Password, Mobile Device Manager, and again, OP Manager, MSP, and Site 24/7. So they have a full-on list of software that you can use depending on what you need. So feel free to check these out, and you get to learn more info, and you hover on each item, and then you can straight up just download them directly. All right, so those are their software. Now let's try to talk about the key features of ManageEngine. And we're going to start with, of course, IT service management, which we saw a while ago. They have the Service Desk Plus for ticketing, incident, and problem management. They have network monitoring and management. These include Op Manager, NetFlow Analyzer, and Network Configuration Manager. For endpoint management, they have the Endpoint Central for device configuration, patch management, and software deployment. For IT operations management, you have the Applications Manager, Analytics Plus, and Log 360. You can also check their key solutions here, as well as their products for a more detailed list. For security and compliance, we saw the AD Audit Plus and AD Manager Plus. And for cloud and hybrid IT management, they have cloud migration readiness and optimization tools. There's also advanced reporting and analytics, automation and workflow management, unified IT monitoring, as well as a lot of integration and scalability. So you have access to seamless integration with third-party tools and ManageEngine's other products. Scalable solutions are also available for businesses of all sizes, from SMBs to enterprises. So those are mostly the products and software that you get to have access to once you sign up for ManageEngine. And it's quite an extensive list, so just try to search for what's appropriate for your business needs. And since they have a lot available, there's a lot you can utilize just with one ManageEngine account. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.